Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll guide you, step by step, on how to use Tamara as a payment method on Noon. Tamara lets you shop instantly and pay later in installments or after delivery, giving you more flexibility with your purchases. Let's get started. First, open the Noon app or website. Browse through the products you'd like to buy and add them to your shopping cart. Next, proceed to checkout. Tap on your cart, select checkout, and enter your delivery address and shipping details. Then, choose Tamara as your payment method. In the Payments section, select Tamara from the list of available payment options. You'll then be redirected to Tamara's platform. After that, sign in or create a Tamara account. Existing users can log in directly, while new users can register quickly by providing their phone number, ID information, and a linked debit or credit card. Next, review your payment options. Tamara typically offers flexible plans such as splitting the amount into installments or paying the full balance later. Select the option that suits you best. Finally, confirm your payment. Approve the Tamara payment details, and you'll be redirected back to Noon where your order will be completed. Your repayment schedule will be handled through Tamara. Quick tips. Make sure you have a valid card connected to Tamara. Pay on time to avoid late fees and keep your account in good standing. Track your purchases and upcoming payments directly in the Tamara app. Using Tamara in Noon makes online shopping more convenient by giving you flexible payment options. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.